Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all those chicken lovers. This is a Mangalore special chicken Urval. Now this is a dry dish and it's a perfect starter with the goodness and the richness and the spiciness of the Byadge chilies. The Byadge chilies add a lot of color, but it's not too spicy. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chicken Urval, I've taken about 1.5 kilo of chicken pieces with bone. First I'm going to marinate the chicken, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons garam masala powder, the juice of 1 medium sized lemon, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Just rub all the chicken pieces with the marinade. Make sure all the pieces are completely coated. Now we're going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. Next I'm going to blanch a few Byadge chilies. To a pot, add some water. I've taken about 25 Byadge chilies for this particular recipe. So it's very essential that you use these chilies because it's going to give you a nice flavor and color to the dish. Blanch the chilies for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes you can see they become nice and soft. Turn off the stove. Cool the chilies completely before grinding them. Now that the chilies have cooled down, transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine paste. So you can see the chili paste is done. It's nice and smooth. If you do need to add a little water, just add maybe 2 to 3 teaspoons and grind it. Remove the chili paste from the mixer jar and keep it aside. Next I'm going to grind some cashew nuts. I've taken about 15 cashew nuts. I've just soaked it with a little bit of water. Transfer the soaked cashew nuts to the mixer jar. Add a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. Remove the cashew paste and keep it aside. Take a nice wide pan or a nice wide kadai. Add about 100 grams of butter. So just cook the chili paste for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame. So after cooking the chili paste for 5 minutes, add the marinated chicken pieces to the chili paste and just mix everything nicely. So you can see the pieces are completely coated with the chili paste. After about 5 minutes, add the cashew paste. So I'm just going to season it with another teaspoon of salt. So I've ground the cashew paste and the chili paste separately. So if you want, you can add the soaked cashew nuts along with the chilies and grind them together. So I'm not adding any water. The chicken will cook in its own juices. Close and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the pan. Open and cook till the chicken becomes nice and dry. So that you can see the chicken has cooked beautifully. All this excess moisture has evaporated. It's become nice and dry. For the final garnish, to a pan, add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add about 10 to 15 cashew nuts. Roast them till they're a nice golden color. Add about 3 to 4 Byadge chilies. Add a few fresh curry leaves. Once you've roasted these ingredients, gently add them to the chicken pieces and mix them all in. That incredibly delicious Mangalore style chicken Urval is ready to be served. It's just bursting with flavors and it's a must try recipe. So here is this absolutely delicious and much requested chicken Urval Mangalore style. So I hope you enjoy it. Do try the recipe and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.